Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back. After I think 8 days. Okay, 8 days no trading. Trading detox. We're back with a little win. Um, which should have been double the amount, but I got rage baited 2 times by the market today. So, first of all, my real entry, you can see right here, if I would have taken it with 2 lots, it would have been $210. And I usually put in on the risk calculator thing $210. Okay, so it would have been the exact amount. The problem is I set my stop loss one tick below it. So it turned out instead of $210 to be only $108 because it would have what's called exceeded, like over, it would have been over the risk amount I typed in. Okay. So there's $108 on the trade, made $130 instead of $260, which is kind of mad. But yeah, my own mistake, I guess. Cooked. So but the trade was a good trade, so let's go over it. Oh, the second time I got rage baited is I should have entered the trade on ES, which was kind of my fault, which I will explain now. So what did we have? What were we working with? Basically, we're higher time frames, like 15 minutes. We was just what's it called? Like bro, 8 days no trading, and I don't know what this means. What the fuck is this called if it moves sideways? Um, chopping around? No, there's a word for. Oh my God, I forgot it after 8 days. What the fuck is going on with me? I don't know. I forgot what it's called. There's like a word for it, but it was just chopping around, up down, up down, up down, not really making any move. And then I was looking for some kind of like SMT divergence or something right after market open, and we had all of these. So we had this fair value gap right here, this little 15-minute fair value gap on NQ, which got filled, and then this was shortly before market opened, and then which is this one right here. Wait, I should have marked it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kind of hurts. No, it wasn't this one. Was it this one? Uh, 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 let's see if it was this one. No, it wasn't. I was kind of trying to get this one, but okay. So there was a fair value gap right here, which I didn't really see, which got filled, and then upwards movement, and I want to take a bullish trade. And then I saw like, okay, we're getting a nice retrace right here into this fair value gap right here. I think it was a 5 minute. Bang. Oh no, it wasn't a fair value gap. Okay, I just assumed that there was a fair value gap right there, but there wasn't. Whatever, bro. Who cares? Still good trade. So we retraced right here, created a SMT divergence with ES. ES was making a lower low while NQ made a higher low. So ES was the lagging index, okay? Then we had a bullish close, and I wanted to enter right after that, which would have been this candle right here on ES and this candle right here on NQ. With this candle on ES, we also had a change of character, and I actually wanted to enter on ES, but this move right here was looking like a too big of a move. I don't know, which is actually, I think it's smaller than, yeah, bro, it's smaller than uh, this move right here. But I don't know why I just took the trade on NQ because I usually, bro, I'm sitting way too low, right? Or did you guys even see me? Oh, yeah, you saw me, okay. But basically what I want to say is um, usually NQ moves a bit smoother than ES. So if I'm able to take the trade on ES, I just take the trade on ES, which was a mistake right here because I should have taken the trade on the lagging index, not the leading index. Because like on the lagging index, the move still has to be made. Now, um, took the trade on NQ, stop loss right below this low, take profit at Fibonacci expansion 1.272. Why the 1.272? Because every other Fibonacci would have been way too low. And yeah, that's basically the whole reason. Bro, it's hot in here, bro. What the fuck? Um, but yeah, basic as trade, basic as take profit, basic as stop loss. If I would have entered with 2 units, which would have been the normal size, I would have probably said 2 take profits, and the second take profit would have been a tier 2.414. But yeah, bro, market rage baited me. If I took the trade on ES, it would have been this one right here. It would have probably. Is there any highs or lows? No, there isn't. So I would have also probably used Fibonacci expansion. Um, Probably something like this, I guess. Yeah, first take profit probably right here. Why isn't it? What the hell, bruh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, yeah. So first take profit would have probably been right here somewhere at a 1.05 risk to reward. And if I had a second unit, I would have probably put it up here somewhere. But that's all theoretical. So yeah, market scammed me today. Still okay trade, valid trade after 8 days. Kind of hurts that the win was so little, even though it was a good trade. If it was a $260 win, it would have at least like deleted out some like 1.5 losses, I guess, right here, and it would have put me back in profit on the account. But now I'm down $34 still because like last month was a good month. But yeah, bro, need to see how June goes. Really, really bad month, but mentally really, really good month because I didn't revenge trade once, and all of these losses were good losses. Like they were still part of my strategy, and they weren't bad trades. Perfect. So yeah, see you guys in June. Hopefully on June we will have a month looking like this, more green days than red days, and we cook up some nice trades. Yes, sir. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.